But before it does, Community Health Works wants to share some valuable information to keep you protected. Kanisha Martin is joining me in the studio with more information. Good morning to you, Kanisha.
Good morning.
So first things first, who established World AIDS Day and why did they do it?
Well, World AIDS Day was established in 1988 by the World Health Organization. And this day was established to bring people together nationwide to try to continue the fight against HIV. It's also an opportunity for people to come together to support those that are living with HIV, and then also to remember those that have lost their battle against HIV.
So it's kind of like a paying homage to those who
Right.
are losing their lives
Correct.
to this disease. So most people don't know the difference between HIV and AIDS.
That is true. So HIV is also called the human immunodeficiency virus, and it's basically a virus that attacks your immune system. It weakens your defense system against infections and also some types of cancer. And AIDS, on the other hand, is basically the advanced stage of HIV, which can take from 2 to 15 days, 2 to 15 years to develop, depending on the individual.
Wow. So when it comes to stats or statistics, can you throw a few out there so we can kind of get a broad spectrum of how this really impacts our communities?
Of course. So basically, there are about 55,000 people that become infected annually, and 1.1 million people in the United States are presently living with HIV. 1 out of every 6 of those people don't even know that they have the infection. So that's a big number to consider, and that's why we take this day to try to get people involved by getting tested and getting educated about HIV.
And you say, you know, some people don't even know that they have it.
Right.
And symptoms, I mean, what are the symptoms of it so that, you know, people can kind of be aware?
Well, in most cases, people don't usually get symptoms, or it can take a long time to start developing symptoms. So that's why we push for people to get tested. If you know that you're involved in risky behaviors, you should definitely make it a note to get tested annually. Or if you come into contact or you think you may have come into contact, to immediately go see your healthcare provider.
How can you prevent, or how can we as a community help prevent this type of illness?
I would say to start out with, of course, knowing your status. We have come to a place where we kind of don't want to talk about it, but we need to be open about it, discuss different options with your healthcare providers, be open with your partners in your relationships, and then also using protection. It's been shown that the use of condoms can prevent the transmission of sexually transmitted infections by 85%. So getting tested and using condoms is very important.
Well, thank you so much for joining us here this morning.
Great, thank you for having me.
Absolutely. Well, World AIDS Day is December 1st, and you can find more information and where to get tested at cdc.com.